अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू आवर चैनल मिस्किन लर्निंग। इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे हमारे लेसन वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज का वार्मिंग अप, चिट चैट, मार्जिन वर्ड्स और क्वेश्चंस। चिट चैट शुरू करते हैं। चिट चैट का टॉपिक है आई कैन टॉक अबाउट द वर्ल्ड। Form groups of 6 to 8 students. Each group should select any one continent and share the following information about each. Important cities, sightseeing places of tourist interest, food speciality, cuisine, wildlife, different types of region and vegetation, human life. Now each group representative from the previously formed groups should narrate the information to the class using proper attractive sentences. बच्चों, जब मैं आपके लिए वीडियोस बनाती हूँ तब आपके साथ साथ मुझे भी नई चीज़ें सीखने का मौका मिलता है। इसलिए मैंने चुना है कॉन्टिनेंट साउथ अमेरिका, क्योंकि बाकी कॉन्टिनेंट्स के मुकाबले मुझे भी साउथ अमेरिका के बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी नहीं थी, लेकिन अब हम साथ में मिलकर साउथ अमेरिका के बारे में नई नई चीज़ें सीखेंगे। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि दुनिया के किस हिस्से में साउथ अमेरिका का कॉन्टिनेंट आता है। ये हिस्सा जो हमारा एरो मार्क कर रहा है वो है साउथ अमेरिका। साउथ अमेरिका में 12 कंट्रीज हैं। ये है साउथ अमेरिका का मैप। कंट्रीज के नाम क्या हैं? अर्जेंटीना, बोलीविया, ब्राज़ील, चिली, कोलंबिया, इक्वाडोर, फॉकलैंड आइलैंड, फ्रेंच गिनिया, गयाना, पैराग्वे, पेरू, सुरीनाम, यूरुग्वे and Venezuela. Important cities: Sao Paulo, Brazil; Buenos Aires, Argentina; Rio de Janeiro, Brazil; Bogota, Colombia; Paramaribo, Suriname. Sightseeing places of tourist interest. सबसे पहले है ब्यूनस एयरेस, जो अर्जेंटीना का कैपिटल है और बहुत ही खूबसूरत जगह है। It is very famous for its great architecture of different cultures. Most famous architectures are Avenida de Mayo, House of Culture, the Barolo Palace, and the oldest cafe in the city, Cafe Tortoni. It is birthplace of famous dance form tango. Machu Picchu in Peru. Machu Picchu में खूबसूरती भी है और कल्चरल सिग्निफिकेंस भी है। Let us read. Machu Picchu is a pre-Columbian 15th century Inca site in Peru. It was discovered by a Yale graduate named Hiram Bingham in 1911. Machu Picchu was declared a Peruvian historical sanctuary in 1981 and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. The Incas built houses, fields and temples by cutting the rock on the mountain so it was flat. They built an observatory to look at the stars. बच्चों, हम सब जानते हैं कि अमेरिका को दरियाफ्त किसने किया था? क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस ने। इसलिए जब हम प्री कोलंबियन कहते हैं उसका मतलब होता है कि उनके अमेरिका को ढूंढने से पहले का जो भी पीरियड था, जो वक्त था, उसे प्री कोलंबियन कहते हैं। और इनका कौन थे? पेरू इस कंट्री में जो इनका थे ये एक बिरादरी थी, जो ये यूरोपियंस जब वहां पर आए थे उनके पहले जो रहने वाले लोग थे उन्हें इनका कहते थे। इग्वाजू फॉल्स. The famous Iguazu Falls are on the Iguazu River in South America on the border between Brazil and Argentina. As the largest waterfall system in the world, they are a popular tourist destination and part of the Iguazu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1984. Alvar Nunes Cabeza de Vaca was the first Spanish explorer to see the falls in 1541. Amazon forest. The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest. The Amazon is found in South America spanning across Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. The Amazon has an incredibly rich ecosystem. There are around 40,000 plant species, 1,300 bird species, 3,000 types of fish, 430 mammals, and a whopping 2.5 million different insects. Food specialty cuisine: empanadas. This crispy half-moon shaped pastry has a hot savory filling of cheese, meat, or vegetables. Ceviche, fresh raw seafood. Dulce de leche, caramelized milk or milk jam. Arepa is a type of food made of ground maize dough. Brigadeiros, sweet chocolate balls. Wildlife. South America is home to many animals that are not found anywhere else in the world. There are so many different animals like Galapagos, giant tortoise, capybara, llamas, etc. Few are listed below. Piranha. Piranhas are fish that are known for their sharp teeth and sometimes ferocious attacks on other animals. The fish live in the Amazon and other rivers and lakes in South America. Scarlet macaw. They are part of the parrot family with very beautiful colors, red, yellow, and blue. Green anaconda. It is the largest snake in the world. Tamarin. The tamarins are squirrel-sized New World monkeys. Guanaco. They belong to the camel family. Guanaco fiber is particularly prized for its soft, warm feel and is found in luxury fabric. Different type of region. It is divided into 4 types of regions: Caribbean North, Brazil, Andean West, and Southern Cone. Different types of vegetation. The vegetation varies from rainforest to grasslands and desert scrub. The Amazon has an incredibly rich ecosystem. There are around 40,000 plant species. Human life. Various groups of Native Americans were the continent's original inhabitants. Today, the population is a blend of several distinct groups: Native American, European, mostly Spanish and Portuguese, and African. Most South Americans speak Spanish or Portuguese. Many native languages, such as Quechua and Amera, are also spoken. Most South Americans are Roman Catholic. Next topic: prepare a travel brochure or leaflet of your native place or any town or historical place or hill station to attract tourists using the points below. हमने चुना है हिल स्टेशन ऊटी, which is also called Queen of Hills. अब देखते हैं उसके बारे में खास जानकारियाँ. इस टेबल में आपको काफ़ी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी और ये याद रखिए बच्चों कि ऊटी का नाम ऑफिशियली जो है वो है उदगा मंडलम. Now let us see margin words. Heritage, that which is valued because of historical, natural, cultural importance. जो तारीखी, कुदरती, सफावती अहमियत की वजह से काबिले कदर है. Characteristics, distinguishing features or qualities. खुसूसियात, artifacts, any objects made by a human being. इंसान की बनाई हुई कोई भी चीज़. Scores of, plenty of, many of. काफ़ी मकदार में. Dismantling, disassembling, pulling down. अलग अलग कर देना, जुदा करना. Initiated, began, started. इब्तिदा करना. Inventory, a detailed list. एक तफसीली फहरिस्त. Recommendations, suggestions, proposals, सिफारिशें. Criteria, fixed basis to judge. मयार. To inscribe, to print, to write or to engrave. छापना, लिखना या कुंदा करना. Territory, region, इलाका. Urbanization, the process of including more areas in cities, expanding city area. शहरों में मज़ीद इलाकों को शामिल करने का अमल. Allocate, assign. मुख्तस करना या तफवीज़ करना. Now let us start margin questions. हर margin question के लिए मैंने किताब में उस हिस्से को मार्क किया है जहां से आपको जवाब मिल सकता है। इन वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल करके आप आपके लफ्ज़ों में इसका जवाब दीजिए। पहला क्वेश्चन है, What significant aspects should a World Heritage Site have? जवाब है पेज 75 पर। A World Heritage Site should have significant cultural or natural importance to humanity. अगला सवाल, What do World Heritage Sites include? जवाब है पेज 75 पर। World Heritage Sites vary in type and includes forest, lakes, monuments, buildings and cities. अगला सवाल, Why did UNESCO launch an international campaign in 1959? जवाब है पेज 76 पर। UNESCO launched an international campaign in 1959 to protect the Abu Simbel temples in Egypt and scores of ancient Egyptian artifacts. The campaign called for the dismantling and movement of the temples to higher ground so that they did not get flooded due to the Aswan High Dam built on the River Nile. Next question. Why did a White House conference in the United States call for a World Heritage Trust? जवाब पेज 76 पर है। The White House conference in the United States called for a World Heritage Trust to protect historical cultural sites, but also to protect the world's significant natural and scenic sites. Next question. What does the World Heritage Committee consist of? Page 76 पर जवाब है। The World Heritage Committee consists of representatives from 21 state parties that are elected for 6-year terms by the World Heritage Center's General Assembly. अगला सवाल, What is the World Heritage Committee responsible for? Answer on page 76. The World Heritage Committee is responsible for establishing which sites will be listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Next question. When was the Convention concerning the protection of World Cultural and Natural Heritage adopted and by whom? Answer on page 76. The Convention concerning the protection of World Cultural and Natural Heritage was adopted by UNESCO's General Conference on November 16, 1972. Who makes recommendations to the World Heritage Committee? Answer on page 77. The International Council on Monuments and Sites and the World Conservation Union makes recommendations to the World Heritage Committee. What is the Peru's Machu Picchu example of? Answer on page 77. Peru's Machu Picchu is an example of mixed World Heritage Site with both natural and cultural significance. उम्मीद है बच्चों आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया। इसे प्लीज़ लाइक करिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिए। आपके लाइक्स और कमेंट्स से हमें बहुत हौसला अफजाई मिलती है और हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिए। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।